the VacLife Tire Inflator VL738. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the VacLife Tire Inflator model VL738. I will go over specs, features, and then test the product. I have included the link in the description below. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. This is a portable inflator that can be used for your car or around the home. It features a DC 12 volt or an AC 110 volt connection, digital display, and LED light. Inside you get the inflator, a 110 volt connector, 12 volt connector, user guide, and an assortment of attachments. Here is just a sample of how long it takes to inflate your car tires, bicycle tires, swimming pool accessories, and a basketball. It doesn't take much to inflate. The inflator is pretty small and portable. It's lightweight and has a carrying handle on the top. On the left side, you have the LED light. On the front, you have the backlit display, the light button, power, buttons to increase and decrease the units, and buttons to toggle the various measurements. The right side, you have your power input for 12 volts and 110 volts. And on the back, you have the air hose, which tucks in nicely for storage. This has a convenient LED light on the left side, so it should be helpful in dark situations. It also has a strobe mode. Increasing and decreasing the desired target pressure is simple. Just use the plus or the minus to set. Now let's test it out. I have set the pressure to 32 psi. The current pressure is 28 psi. And there you have it. I did forward it a bit just to save some time, but it took over a minute to get the 4 psi. Once it was reached, it automatically shut off. So that is a look at the VacLife VL738 tire inflator. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.